Okay, so today I'll be making some homemade orange juice and I'll be blending that with bananas that I have here. As you can see, I like to buy my bananas, keep them until they've ripened more. I like to have my oranges sit down like 2-3 days before I use them. I have some mangoes, some apples, and then some peaches that I'll be using. I have some lemon, depending on what kind of juice I want to make or what kind of smoothie that I want to make. And so today's smoothie, I'll be using orange juice, fresh orange juice that I'll be making myself at home. And so I have this little container. If you don't have a juicer, I have this little one. It's so simple to use, and as time goes on, if you can afford it, the juicer, you can buy that, but at the moment this is good for you to use. So I use this. Do is I put this on here, tight it, right? Sometimes going, just make it a little bit softer. All right, so I'm gonna cut this into, see, I am just gonna start turning it around this way so you can see juice is coming out. Much juice you can get out. Sometimes you get some of the oranges that has a lot of juice, sometimes too. So that is done, and I'll use this too again, the other half, little by little, and you can see how the juice are coming out. This is what I do every morning. If I want orange juice, just buy the orange, make the juice myself. I don't like the pre-made juices. Sometimes I use some of them depending on what kind, but when it comes to orange juice, I like to do it. Grape juice, I do my own grape juice as well, and I'll show you in another video how I do that. 2 orange juice. The only thing is you have to, if you need more juice, you have to use a lot of oranges. I just use 2 oranges, mostly just 3, depending on how thick I like the smoothie. You can see this is coming out nicely. Okay, now that I'm done with this, I untwist it. You can see a lot of oranges. All right, so I am going to pour this in here. That's not much juice, but depending on what you want, you more to it. So now that I have my juice, it's here. All right, so now I have my blender here. I am just going to cut my bananas. How this has ripened nicely. And always remember to take those strings out because you can feel them in your smoothie. Okay, so now that that is done, I am just gonna cut this in here. Just be careful when you're using knives. I am used to using my hands cutting things. Not many people are confident doing that, so please be careful when you're doing this type. You can use your cutting board. As this is done, I am going to pour this juice on here. As you can see, I'm only making 1 cup of smoothie. So now I'm going to bring this here and I'm gonna cover this. Okay, so we're gonna blend. And you can actually see how creamy it even comes out already. Creamy. Okay, one little jar that I pour my juice also in, you can just pour. You can see, look at that. You can see it's so creamy. This, you can add as much juice you want. You can, make another juice, add orange juice to it if you want more to be a little bit thick, lighter. For me, this is really good, and you can see how the texture is. And I am going to taste this. Lovely. That tastes really good. For me, I'm not an ice person, so some people, you can put this in, add some ice cubes to it if you want. You can just refrigerate this to cold a little bit more before you can drink it. For me, I like to drink it right away. I'll just set it down a little bit before I drink it whenever I'm ready to drink it in the morning. So that is how you just make just 2 ingredients: orange juice, of your homemade orange juice, and a banana, and you can make your fresh smoothie. You don't need to go and buy from somewhere a pre-made juice, and this is really good. You get all the vitamins you need to go. So this is how I make my juice, and I hope this helps you to make yours. Let me know when you make yours, how did it come out? I like to experiment things about smoothies like this. Sometimes I can add 2 different kind of juice to it. I can add either apple juice, or I can add green grape juice with the orange juice mixed together to blend before I do the blending. That is up to you, but I'll be walking you through whenever I'm mixing things, because I like to taste things different, how they taste, and that's who I am, to experiment things. The same thing when it comes to recipe, I do that as well. I like to mix things together and see how it comes out. So you'll be learning more of this, how to make all those things on this channel. So if you learn anything from this video, please don't forget to subscribe and also leave a comment in the comment section below, and I will get back to you as always. Thank you for watching this video and stay healthy. I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.